A torque wrench is key part of the toolkit of the serious at-home mechanic. It allows you to tighten nuts and bolts to a set and accurate torque. There are many products available to choose torque wrenches, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best torque wrenches from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tecton 24335 1/2-inch drive click torque wrench. If you are looking for a great all-around torque wrench, this could be your purchase. It has a torque range suitable for use across multiple applications, so you can use this tool on your car brakes, you can use it on your kid's mountains bike, and you can use it on your lawnmower. It has a solid all-steel construction that is going to stand up to a lot, and we mean a lot of use. The head is reversible, meaning it can be used to tighten in either direction, and the wrench itself is not huge, making it easy to manipulate on smaller items and in tight spaces. A great all-round but non-specialist wrench to keep in any handyman's toolkit. What we like about it: all-metal construction, audible click system, wide range of applications. Number 2. Tecton 24341 1/2-inch drive click torque wrench. This tool is the big brother of the one we discussed above. If you were worried that a torque range of just 10 to 150 feet-pounds didn't quite sound like it would be enough for your needs, the 24340 may be for you instead. It boasts all the plus points of the 24335 model, whilst packing a torque force of between 25 to 250 feet-pounds, a huge increase. This is all packed into a tool that is only about an inch longer, making the 24340 model just as easy to use and manipulate in tight spaces. A great tool that packs a lot of power. What we like about it: all-metal construction, audible click system, wide range of applications. Number 3. Park Tool TW 5.2 ratcheting click type torque wrench. Of course, not all wrenches are required to perform high torque functions, sometimes you need something with a little more finesse. The Park TW.52 is that model. Its torque range is measured on the Newton measure scale of inch-pounds. This scale is used to better reflect the accuracy of the torque setting increments that this tool comes with. Torque can be increased or decreased at increments of just 0.4 Nm. This makes this tool ideal for smaller, more fragile nuts and bolts than you would typically find on a vehicle. For example, if you have a bike, especially one like a road racing bike with very delicate components, this is the wrench to use to keep all those nuts and bolts safe. At just 9 inches long and 1 pound in weight, it is incredibly easy to use too. This tool is intuitive and carefully calibrated, making it perfect for all those smaller jobs. What we like about it: 4% accuracy. Range 18 to 124 inch-pounds. Small torque adjustment increments. Number 4. The Poto 1/4-inch drive click torque wrench. If you are not sure that you will be using your torque wrench frequently, you may be tempted to buy a budget model to simply hold in reserve for occasional use. There is nothing wrong with that, of course, and if that is your plan of action, it is harder to recommend a better budget wrench than this model from Poto. This is one of the cheapest tools on the market, but you get a lot of bang for your buck. 4% accuracy out the box, a hardened ratchet head will give a long lifespan, the range scale is both easy to set and to read, and you get an excellent force range of 20 to 200 feet-pounds, so when you do take this out, you know it will be able to easily step up to most jobs. What we like about it: ratchet head made of hardened steel alloy, easy storage, simple to read range scale. Number 5. Nico Drive adjustable click torque wrench. If we were asked to recommend a torque wrench for occasional or even just emergency use, then this would be this model for a number of reasons. Firstly, it's incredibly cheap. You can buy this, use it once only, and it will still be a bargain. Secondly, it is so simple to use. One twist unlocks the tool, the handle is then rotated to the desired force, and a second twist locks it. This means it's ideal to keep in the trunk or garage for emergency wheel changes when you want a tool that's just going to do its job, no questions asked. What we like about it: 4% accuracy. Spring-loaded pull-down lock for fast and easy use. Simple torque adjustments. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for